A factor tells how many groups a number can be broken into. A prime number has two factors, one in itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. A composite number has one itself and other numbers as factors. Raise your right hand. I can.
I can.
List multiples.
List multiples.
Of a given number.
Of a given number.
And determine.
And determine.
If a number.
If a number.
Is a multiple.
Is a multiple.
Of another given number.
Of another given number.
All right. I know some of you are wondering why when you entered the classroom today you were all in chairs. Because I heard you when you came in. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Well, you're going to find out what we're doing. So the first thing I need you to do is we're going to number off from 1 to 20, starting down here. And we're going to count off again. But this time as we count off, every fourth person is going to stay standing. Now look at all the people that are standing. And I said every fourth person had to be standing up. So what do we 5 people represent? Those of us that are standing. What do we represent? Glenn?
Counting by fours.
Okay, what is it called when we count by fours? What are we talking about this week?
The 4 multiples.
The multiples of 4. Now let me ask you a question. Am I the very end of multiples of 4?
No.
No. Even though I'm 20 and I'm at the end of our line, what would be the next multiple of 4?
24.
24. And the next one?
28.
28. And could I ask you to give me every single multiple of 4 in the entire universe?
No.
No. Why?
Because
numbers never end. Numbers go on forever and ever and ever and ever. And this time we're going to count off. We're going to count by 3s. Now that time, how many people were standing up? 5. When we count by 3s, do you think we're going to have more people standing? Don't say it out loud. Think about it. Do you think we're going to have more people standing, or do you think we're going to have fewer people standing when we count by 3s? Why do you think less than 5 people are going to be standing?
I think less than 5 people are going to be standing because in 4 you take a bigger jump than 3.
Okay, so why do you think more people are going to be standing?
More people are going to be standing because 3 is not as big as 4 is, and so you won't skip as many numbers.
Okay, so both of you actually gave the same reason, but you said less and you said more. Okay, so we're gonna prove it. That's the big thing in math. We got to prove everything. Okay, so we're gonna count off this time by 3, and every third person will remain standing. Are you ready? Ready? This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people standing. Last time we had 5. So we have more people standing. If you said more people standing, hold your hand up and pat yourself on the back because you were right. There are more people standing, and it's what Lila Page actually said. 3 is a smaller number. So if we're going to count by 3s, it's smaller steps. So we're going to hit more numbers because, like she said, we're not skipping as many numbers in between as we did when we took leaps of 4. No, these are our multiples of 3. These are our multiples of 3. So we have 3,
6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
What would be the next one in line?
21.
21. Very good. Look, Glenn, have you stood up already?
This is my second time standing up.
Okay, what was the first number you stood up on?
3.
3. He stood up on 3 and he stood up on 6. Okay, this is Miss Party Girl over here. She thinks she has to be involved in every party. She stood up every time. What'd you stand up for?
3 and 4 and 6.
Okay, so we've done 3, 4, and 6, and Miss Party Girl over here has been up every time because she thinks she's just Miss It over here. She has to stand up every time. How many times have you stood up?
Twice.
And what for?
3 and 6.
3 and 6, 3 and 6. Could there be a connection there?
Yes.
They both stood up on 3 and 6. Oh, I heard factors. All right, what we're going to see. Let's try multiples of 2. Do you think we're going to have fewer or more people? More. I agree, definitely more. You ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12,
Party girl again.
13, 14, 17, 18, 19,
And 20. And I'm standing. All right. So let's talk about this for a second. We have all these numbers standing up. What do we know about all of the people that are standing? We're all multiples of what? 2. Lynn's standing up, and you're standing up on the same numbers. 2, 3, and 6. And Glenn, what's your number?
6,
And what's your number?
18.
So if you and Glenn are standing up on the same numbers,
6 is a factor. Wait, 18 is a factor.
no,
of
you had it right first
6
time.
is a factor of
Of?
18.
Very good. 6 is a factor of 18. If you've not stood up at all, stand up. Okay. What's your number?
1,
What's your number?
7, 11, 13, 17, 19.
They're all
I heard somebody go, what? What? What's our let's hold up our definition. A prime number has 2 factors. 1 in itself. 2, 3, yeah, I'm sorry. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. Is she composite?
Yeah.
No. Now,
She's not even.
what are the factors of 1?
1.
1. So, can I even say that she's prime?
She's not even prime because a prime number has 2 factors and that's it.
1 and itself. Well, 1, she is herself.
She doesn't have it.
So how many factors does she have?
1.
1. So she doesn't even fit the definition of prime. She's a very, very special number. But you know what? All of you need her.
Oh, we do?
Because all of you have 1 as a factor, right?
She's an identity theft.
Identity theft. No. Identity property.
Oh.
Right. Right. The identity property. 1 is a factor of every number because of, like Trinity said, because of the what property?
Identity.
Identity property, which says if I multiply a number by 1,
it stays the same.
right. I keep my identity. The number keeps its identity. It doesn't change.
Nobody can steal this identity.
That's right. No identity theft can take it away. All right. The triangle bot can only make jumps of 3. Okay? Why do you think he can only make jumps of 3?
Because he only has 3
He
sides.
has 3 sides. So if that's the rule, how many jumps, what are the multiple of jumps that the square can make?
4.
Multiples of 4. And the pentagon?
5.
Multiples of 5. And the hexagon?
6.
Multiples of 6. And the heptagon?
7.
7. And the octagon?
8.
Predict. Will he make it?
No.
Or no?
Yes.
No.
No.
Okay, if you think he's going to make it, raise your hand.
No, he's not going to make it.
If you don't think he's going to make it, raise your hand. That means that none of these numbers are multiples of 3. Oh no! Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. I want you to discuss with your partner, is 8 going to make it? No, I'll page your red areas. Is 8 going to make it? Yes or no, and why? Ready?
I think it's not going to make it.
I think 8 is not going to make it because it's multiple of 8. So it's not going to make it all the way. It's not going to make it to the next one because it's going to blow it.
3. Kablooey. Didn't work. So I go to the next one. 3. Kablooey. 6. Kablooey. So I go to the next one. 3. Safe. 6. Safe. Kablooey. All right, let's check this
Say.
6,
Say.
9,
Say.
12,
Say.
15,
Say.
18,
Say.
21,
Say.
24.
Say.
So 3 will work here, but I'm
Okay, so these two are the 2 3s. Now, which one do you think will work? 6, 12, 8, 6, 24. Kablooey! Do you agree that the 6s will not go right here?
There's 2 of them that are 3. We have to guess which one is right.
Do you agree that 4 goes here?
Yes, I agree.
I mean 6 goes here.
Yes, I agree. 6, 12, 18, 20. Right? 6. So now we gotta fill out the blanks.
6, 12, 18, 24. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. I think it is 4 sides. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree because this is a square and a square has 4 sides.
They only use
Only 5 would work on 3. They only use 7.
okay. What have you tried already?
We tried 6. We tried 4 and 3. Because 3, 6,
Okay.
9, it wouldn't go.
Have you tried 7? Because you do have a heptagon right there.
7, 14, 21, 20.
So would the 7 work? Yeah, 7 would work. Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to do a quick round robin of things that you find in groups. Let's say that I wanted to buy a pencil for Christmas, a Christmas pencil for everybody in this class. And I went to the store, and the store sold pencils in packs of 6. So I need to be able to count by 6s to make sure that I have enough pencils for everybody. So I would say 1 pack would give me 6, 2 packs would give me 12, 3 packs would give me 18, but there's 20 of you. So I would have to buy 4 packs.
Packs of pairs of shoes.
Boxes of cupcakes.
Eggs.
You are standing at the end of a school hallway that has 100 lockers that are numbered from 1 to 100. So kind of like a number line, right?
Yeah.
All right. The student government wants to advertise an upcoming event. You have been assigned to take a flyer on every 6th locker. Make a list of the locker numbers that will have a flyer on them. So think about it. Just like we did when we counted off earlier and every 4th person stood or every 5th person stood, you're looking for every 6th locker. When you are finished, you will take your color dots and you know the drill. Pink dot means
I don't get this.
yellow dot means
I could use some more practice.
I could use some more practice. Excellent, Mark. And green dot means piece of cake. I got it. I'm ready to rock and roll. All right? Everybody understand? Don't forget your sticker. We'll have a flyer on it. Every 6th locker. I need the number. What you doing?